quick catch-ups at her care home mean the world to Alice and her daughter Sheila. Over the last 2 years, the 97-year-old has been cut off from her family and forced to isolate alone in her room numerous times due to COVID outbreaks and hospital visits.
Staff would come round and say it's locked down, and you knew that was the first we knew of it, and therefore I really felt I would never see Sheila again. I mean, it sounds a bit stupid, but when your low moments, we are discriminated against in care homes.
Last year, Alice posted this emotional plea to the social care minister.
We have some on our floor who have lost part of their memory. I mean, there's no doubt about it. And they couldn't understand why we couldn't get visitors. Where were our relatives?
Sheila is part of a relatives group campaigning for Anne's Law, named after Anne Duke, who died in her care home last year after long periods of separation from her family. It would guarantee legal access to loved ones in a care home, regardless of future outbreaks. New social care standards announced today, while not law, brings those measures into effect.
I think it's a huge stepping stone to getting to Anne's Law, and I can't see us not getting to Anne's Law now. And we are also sincerely hoping that our group will be part of the public inquiry, and that this will all be documented, and that those that have lost loved ones will perhaps have a bit of reassurance to know that the ghastly situation they faced will be down on record forever, and so it won't be forgotten.
Relatives, residents and care homes are hopeful these new standards will give us a way to live with COVID in the future as well. The fact remains that if there's COVID in the community, it will end up in care homes. And at the minute, 1/3 of homes have a case of coronavirus.
I know that there have been problems, obviously, with visiting if there's been an outbreak and things like that. I think the great thing about these standards is it gives that clarity of what's expected.
Well, now it gives the Care Inspectorate the power in terms of their duties and registration and inspection and supporting of care homes to say to care homes, you must follow this guidance. That is the big difference in all of this.
And those differences should be profound. So you'll be going for a celebration after this?
We are indeed.
Yeah,
yes.
I think we will. We'll have some champagne at lunchtime, I think.
That would be lovely.
Right.